Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special drawing tutorial for you. We'll be creating a heartwarming scene of a boy playing with his dog. Let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSS channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4-A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSS experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure, composition, visualization skills for today's artistry trivia. In art history, do you know the art style of the paintings shown? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. This strong bond is built on trust, companionship, and the joy that comes from shared experiences, like the playful scene we are drawing today. Let's begin by drawing the outline of our first character. Use oval shape for drawing the face. Use curved rectangle to draw the torso, and for the legs use cylinders. As you're sketching, think about the joy and excitement that comes with playing with a dog. Moving on to our second character, the dog. Pay close attention to the construction of the body. Dog's body construction is bean shaped. The face will be drawn using a circle, and then we will connect the neck. Dogs come in various shapes and sizes. When it comes to the dog family, be it when drawing a wolf or a fox, the basic proportion remains the same. Capture the playful spirit by adding details like wagging tail and perked up ears. Now, let's introduce our third character, the girl. Draw her holding a food plate, approaching the boy and the dog. To outline her body structure, we will use oval to draw her face, curved rectangle for her torso, and a curved cone for her skirt. To draw her legs, use curved cylinders. Remember to sketch one of her hands out. This adds a dynamic element to our scene. To complete our scene, let's draw the background. Sketch out the outline of a cozy house, 2 trees, and a bush. The environment sets the stage for this heartwarming playtime. Oh, and don't forget to add a fluffy cloud in the sky for that extra touch. And there you have it, a heartwarming scene of a boy playing with his dog, surrounded by the love and care of a friend. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is Indian miniature art. The Indian miniature art, dating back to the 6th century, is a meticulous and intricate style characterized by vivid colors, detailed brushwork, and intricate patterns, often depicting mythological themes or royal court scenes. These small-scale paintings showcase a rich cultural heritage. The use of natural pigments and delicate techniques contributes to the unique charm of Indian miniature art. We share a lot of useful and creative blogs and information on our website. Make sure you don't miss out on the fun. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the Creative Skills Society YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSS.